Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, numbers are boring, but when you turn them into visuals, they can change the future of a business. And here, Tata is offering a free online internship on data visualization, and it is a very good opportunity for the candidates who want to make their career in the data analytics field or the data science or the business analytics. And friend, in this online internship, you will learn regarding the how to transform the raw data into insights and friend, this is the very important skills company looking for now. And you can also see here this type of dashboards you can make after this virtual internship program. And you can see here in the newspaper of the Australia, you can see here the power of data visualization. You can see here good data storytelling boost business. So data is a very important and you can see here after the completion of the internship you will get this type of certificate which you can use in your LinkedIn profile or in your resume also. And we are going to talk about the all the details, what you will learn, how you will apply, and what is the eligibility criteria. So please watch the video complete. So you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage who is providing this data visualization internship by the Tata. You can see here more than 81,950 candidates already enrolled in this program. And here you will learn the various types of skills like you can see here visualization, then you can see data analysis, data interpretation, you will learn charts and various types of graphs, then data visualization, what is the basics of the visuals, how to clean the data, how to make the dashboard, then analysis and presentation, effective communication and analytics insights. So once you make the visualization, then you have to also uh, inform the your customers and and your colleagues regarding the your insights. So communication skill is very important here, and you can see here in this program you will learn how their passionate multidisciplinary experts solve some of the most complex business problems using data visualization solutions. Like the you can see the Tableau and Power BI. These are the very popular tools for the data visualization, and you can create amazing stories which are hidden under the mountains of data generated. And the program will show you the what kind of problems are solved at Tata Insights and the quants on day-to-day basis, and will attempt to emulate the challenges you will be facing here. So, what types of things you will learn here? Let's talk about the modules here. So, first module you can see it is around framing the business scenario. So, you have to frame the business scenario here. So, you will learn how to anticipate the questions your business leaders will need answer to, like how to think from the perspective of business leaders, how to prepare for a meeting with the senior leaders, and write a question that you think will be important to relevant to the chief executive officer, that is a CEO, and CMO, that is a chief managing officer here. Then in the task 2 you can see here uh, you will learn regarding the how to choose the visuals which can communicate information effectively, and for that you have to identify the visuals which would explain the data and insights in the simplest possible manner. So talking about the third module, you will learn how to visualize data analysis to help executives with the effective decisions, and how to use Tableau or Power BI softwares you will learn here. Then how you will create the visuals around the questions the CEO and CMO requested. Then talking about the task 4, you can see here the you will learn regarding the communicating insights and analysis. So how to present effectively to senior leadership. Then you will see here you will record a video presenting your findings to the CEO and CMO. Since this internship is the online, so for the communication purpose and how you will present the data to the CEO or CMO, you have to record a video in which you are presenting your insights to the CEO and CMO, and you have to upload here. So in the last module, you can see that is the finish, and after that you will complete. If you complete all these tasks and upload it proper manner, then you will get the certificates. You can see here you will get this type of certificate on which you can see the logo of Tata is given, and your name will be given here, and the what types of things you will learn here given. And on bottom of the certificate you will get the link. Using that anyone can verify that it is the certificate is proper or not. So if anyone want, they can verify from here. And so you can see the simple process is given that you have to first complete the task guided by the pre-recorded videos and examples and answers from their team. And friend, there will be the no live session. All are the self-paced recorded videos. And once you complete watching all these pre-recorded videos and completing the task, then you will get the certificate. And how you will do the registration, we will talk about a little bit later. Before that, if you are not subscribed our channel Inforosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity, and technology related videos. So please subscribe Inforosan. It will help us to create a more content for you guys. So talking about the registration, so I have provided the link in the video description box from where you can access it. And once you open the link, then you will come to this page here. And here you have to simply click on this start free program. And once you click, then you will be redirected to this page here. And here you can see if you have already account in the wallet, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to enter your email ID here and you have to create your account. And for creating your account, you have to provide your first name, last name, your phone number, then some other details. And once you provide these all the details, then this data visualizations or data analytics internship will add in your profile, and by login you can access it and complete it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any query regarding this Tata data visualization or certificate or internship, please comment on the video. We will definitely check your questions and provide you the answer. And please subscribe Inforosan. Thank you.